Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'll show you how to claim Adobe Photoshop free for 1 year. Alright guys, so let's get into it. Basically, if you want to do this, if you want to claim Adobe's free Photoshop plan, it is only available via the Chrome extension. So in order to have access to it, you're gonna have to type in Chrome extension on your Google or Safari and go ahead and open it up. So open up the Chrome Web Store. Once the Chrome Web Store opens in, where we have search extensions and themes, just simply type in Photoshop. So go ahead and type in Photoshop here. Now where we have Adobe Photoshop, go ahead and click on it. It's going to open up on your screen. Once it has opened up, you can see get 6 months free web access. This was 12. So go ahead and click on add to Chrome. Where we have add to Chrome, go ahead and add the Adobe Photoshop to your Chrome. It's quite easy to do. Just simply click on the add at the top there, and it's going to begin downloading. So click on add extension. Alright guys, and once the download is completed, you're dropped at welcome to Adobe Photoshop. It basically says welcome to the Photoshop extension. You can collect images, edit, download, and the most important thing we're looking out here for is the option to start our free 16 months of Photoshop web. It was 12, but they reduced it to 6. Alright, so you have to sign in to get started. No credit card required. So go ahead and click on start free offer. It's going to open photoshop.adobe.com, and all you need to do is just simply sign in or log into your account. So go ahead and do this on your end. All right, so we are met with this option where it says get 6 months free access to Photoshop on the web, no credit card required, offer available for a limited time. So please hop on this as soon as you see it. All right, so go ahead and click on start now, and you're shown a list of Google accounts you can sign in with, whether it's to continue with your Google account or continue with Facebook or continue with Apple, or you can continue with your email. So I'll just go ahead and continue with my email and then simply click on continue and proceed. All right, guys, and welcome to Photoshop on the web. You now have access for 6 months. So let's get started. All right, guys, and as soon as you've signed in, you're basically dropped at the Adobe Photoshop for web. It is an amazing platform, and we're met with a greeting where you can actually start a tour of the Photoshop platform. But I'm just going to go ahead and click on skip for this, or we can just click on start tour. Stay up to date by turning on your notifications. No, and click on next, and then you can get the app. So our browser app lets you open Photoshop right on the web from your desktop in one click. So click on done, and boom, you can actually have a browser app here. So it's just going to function like any other app on your computer. All right, guys. So welcome back to Photoshop, and it's on the web. So here's how you can make use of the premium version of Photoshop without paying a single dime for it. You are getting access to the quick edits where you can simply remove a background, crop an image, include color pop, or generate an image, which is actually quite interesting, and also add from Adobe stock. So you can get stock images, like all these are stock images. You can get them from Adobe stock. And then another new tool you can enjoy is blending objects into a scene with Harmonize. So you can make use of Harmonize to simply blend objects into a scene, add depth, style, and drama quickly and easily with effects, and then join the waitlist for an AI assistant. So you can actually we are going to be getting an AI assistant on Photoshop Web. And the interesting part is you can actually upload your files. You can just do a drag and drop to import them. All right, so we also have effects like motion blur, half tone, glitch, and some others. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. We're going to be getting started with the generating an image, then I'll be walking you through the rest of them. So when you click on generate an image, you're going to be taken over to a side of Adobe Photoshop Web that deals with using generative software. So you can actually sit and generate a concept. You can generate something using the Adobe Photoshop web. It's quite amazing. So once it opens up, All right, so it's fully loaded in, and the first thing you can see is how amazing the platform looks. They have redesigned the entirety of Photoshop. We do have some new things like generative fill, generative expand, generative upscale, and the generating of an image. And on the layers hub, if you're used to making use of Photoshop app, you notice that the layers is usually at the bottom right, but right now I believe it's at the top right, which is to show layers. So if you click on it, you can actually get to interact with the layers, like adding a new layer, adjusting your layers, layer styles, creating a mask to hide everything, and arranging your layers as well as the blend. So you can dissolve, you can darken, multiply, color burn. You can change the opacity. You can also show your layer properties. You could check out your history of your edits. You can check out your edit history as well, and you can also download your content once you're done. All right, so let's go ahead and simply generate. All we need to do is just write a prompt. Where we have prompt, go ahead and simply type in a prompt. We have prompt inspirations, which are basically things that other people have done or have achieved on the Photoshop web. All right, guys. So now let's proceed to simply enter a prompt. You can generate or describe anything. Let's go with a horse wearing hats. Let's see if we can generate that. And then you can add compositions to it. So you can make the content type. If you want it into a photo or an art, you can select your content type and then the style and then the effects you want applied. They are also here in the gallery. You can apply a bokeh effect, digital art, hyper realistic, synthwave painting, layered paper, art deco, art nouveau, and barbecue. All right, guys, and that's how you can simply generate images and make use of Adobe Photoshop on the web for free and claim your 6 months free trial. All right, guys, so comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.